We work for the two of them, but then left one that we can show.
But this name no Happy Cove?
Right. Show them now.
Happy Cove. Well, I like the entrance.
Cove.
Entrance nice.
Ocho Rios. Just down the road from Ocho Rios Country Club that we just did.
One set around this one. Them one I can see them. I like the stonework here so again. Stonework nice one. You sure say that's a pyramid?
Yes, it is. Yes, it's the original pyramid. Yeah.
What am I saying on the other side of somewhere? Wow. I like the entrance coming at this. Yeah, this look this look like by me. This looks that's at the office. Office that. Yeah, office that. So guys, this is the Happy Cove gated community in Ocho Rios, St. Ann, Jamaica. This one look nice, not bias. So we could go inside now, yeah? Boom. See that? On the mouse up on the hill up there somewhere. That's up a pyramid. And them have a gated community that's named Pyramid Point as well. See them? You know them not finished yet, but anybody who want to buy them have to jump in from now because them things are coming like a hot bread, you know. You know what I mean? Huh? How much are them over here?
53 hours.
53. This is next year before them are finished up, no?
Yeah, next year January.
January. Yeah. 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom, no?
Yeah, 2 bedroom.
So this is the 3 bedroom.
Right. So this is where we're gonna go.
This one.
Right.
Alright.
Gonna be the model. Normally we have 2 houses to show you, but only gonna have this
Only one. So this is a 2 bedroom.
No, this gonna be 3 bedroom.
3 bedroom.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
Any trouble?
Inside the inside the living room. Inside the living room. Pool, yeah, pool, gym. So this is the living room.
So that if you need information, you can contact Golden Gates Realtors.
So this
Golden Gates Realtors.
this is the living room.
Right. This is gonna be our first outlet on the living room. It's just gonna be on this area. From here.
That's a kitchen.
Over here is gonna be the dining there. Number 3 bedroom, 1.
So this is number 3.
Big one.
So the small one.
Right, now every room get a bathroom and a closet.
Ceiling high too. Yeah. Bathroom. This one?
The powder room.
Oh, powder room.
Right, just in case you don't want them to use your bathroom or anyone to the room back.
Yeah.
Right, so then you have this bathroom to use.
And this one?
This one with the washroom.
Oh, washroom.
Right. Back patio around the back, big gas space.
So you can add on?
You know, man, we keep saying that I get to clarification about that.
Oh, it's at the backyard. But it's space,
No,
big
no.
though.
No, for sure, you cannot go home.
Or might be you can add on from the back. The space around the backyard big though. Ceiling high as well. So it's room number 2. It's a bedroom number 2. Yeah, bedroom number 2. So I have the bathroom, shower. But remember I don't finish at Z, you know, so. Number 2. Huh? You can add on to the back. Only. So it's a number 3. 3 bathroom. Bathroom.
And this area can have a walk-in closet.
So the walk-in closet are there in the spaces in the corner.
Right.
So this is a master room.
Yes. And the master bathroom can have a storage room. The master bedroom can have a storage room.
Storage, yeah. Awesome. One next storage are there, so. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so our next storage space up on top there. Okay. Oh, yeah. How much am I go?
36 man.
36.5 million.
And 2 bedroom, 32.
Yeah.
And he has paid them very inside from 4,400 to 6,600 square. So like the corner
Is bigger.
they have way more bigger space.
Yeah. Oh, it's 8 of them leave.
I'm not really sure. Oh, I mean like 8 of them incomplete, like
Yeah.
like put up.
Yeah. I'm going.
6 leave.
I'm going with things. Alright. This is outside. All the way up there, so. At the moment, they say only 6. Only 6 units leave.
If you want to grab one, you can contact Golden Gate Realtors.
It's by January. Yeah. The stone wall nice man, especially the piece on the front when you come in. Yeah man, it's nice man. So this is the entrance now. Jeez. Over here go nice man, I tell you. Yeah? So the entrance. Yesterday, you can imagine all the flowers that go there, so they're pretty. Yeah? A fountain I got there, so.
same.